Who doesn't like high-quality products at an affordable price? If you're a woodworking enthusiast, you're in the right place. We've picked out the 20 coolest woodworking tools to make your creative journey more fun and efficient. No more spending hours trying to cut the perfect thin strips or going through hassle to make precise butt joints. These tools will help you create beautiful woodwork with minimal effort. So without wasting any time, let's explore the 20 coolest woodworking tools under $50. Sharpening a chisel is about to get easier, presenting the Gomake honing guide system, Chisel Sharpening Kit, a gadget designed to achieve professional-grade sharpening results for your chisels and planes. This easy-to-use kit comes with a honing guide system that you can adjust and prepare the chisel or plane angle according to your preference, making sure the knife edge gets sharpened evenly on the whetstone with ease. Besides, the double short and long rollers keep the chisel edge stable, maintaining a right angle during use to create square edges. Furthermore, the angle fixture ranges from 15 to 45 degrees and 17 to 42 degrees. And also the guide allows clamping chisels and planes from 5 by 32 inches to 3 inches. Moreover, it's easy to lock and use for maximum convenience. The gadget is built with high-quality aluminum alloy, brass, and stainless steel. Plus, it's wear and corrosion resistant. On top of that, the gadget is portable and can be carried easily during your outdoor woodworking activities. Alright, we just saw some cool products that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So, if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. The AutoTool Home Gold Self-Centering Doweling Jig Kit is one of the best doweling jig kits in the market, perfect for any type of woodworking project. This innovative tool can create different types of precise wood joints, such as the butt joints, miter joints, edge joints, and also operates as a mortising guide. Plus, its clamping capacity ranges from 3 by 8 inches to 2 inches. If you're a lazy woodworker, then no worries, because this device is very easy to install and use even for beginners. Moreover, the 2 drill press blocks are made from aircraft-grade aluminum and have an anodized gold surface to prevent scratches. The fixture bolts with threads and drill bushings of different sizes allow simple and accurate drilling. The pressing blocks and clamping screw handle work like a vise, tightly holding your workpiece without causing damage to the wood. Also, the fine thread spacing on the screw handle ensures a consistent and stable clamping pressure. For a safe and quick thin strip cutting experience, check out the Gomake Table Saw Thin Rip Jig, built with durable aluminum alloy. This device is perfect for creating details in your woodworking projects with precision. With the help of this device, you can make the same thin strips consistently with ease. Furthermore, no need to worry about the fittings since the gadget is compatible with most table saws and band saws. And the zero adjustment design will make it simple for you to set up the right thin rip distance. Besides, it has an innovative one-way roller bearing that will help prevent any kickbacks and make using the device safe. Therefore, this product is perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. The installation process is also simple. Overall, if you're looking for a product that will help you quickly cut thin strips with precision and make sure your hands are safe during the process, then you will enjoy experiencing this product. Save money by purchasing the valued Nicpro Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener sets. The pack consists of 2 pieces of solid carpenter pencils along with 26 pieces of 2.8mm refills. one sharpener that can be replaced, and one plastic box for storage. The set is assembled to help you finish your work quicker and more simply. The pencils are constructed to create deep holes, and that's why they have a 45mm elongated tip design. The sharpener is attached at the top of the work pencil to make sure it doesn't get lost while you're busy with woodworking. Besides, it matches with a 2.8mm thick lead and is much stronger during the drawing process of construction work. Don't worry, it will not break or damage that easily. The product is available in 3 colors. Also, its solid construction can be marked on different surfaces like plastic, wood, paper, and more. Take the guesswork out of centering lines and make your woodworking experience more enjoyable using the Milescraft Center Finder. The center hole of the product is designed to hold your pencil perfectly in place while you're working. Plus, the offset range will help you to mark lines from 1 by 16 inches to 5 by 8 inches off center, making sure the marks are accurate and fulfills your needs. Also, the product has notches included that make it extra easy for you to use the tool, along with a rare earth magnet that will let you store the tool on any metal body for fast access. To make it even better, built-in storage for a second pencil is featured in the product to make sure that you are never caught without a backup pencil. Check out the SAER Multifunction Scribing Tool, an innovative woodworking tool that you can use by adjusting its shape to meet your requirements. Simply select the tightness of the pencil holder and nut to get different shapes to get any woodwork done. Afterward, lock and fix to ensure precision accuracy. The product features high-quality aluminum alloy, along with anodic oxidation treatment, which helps to expand the service life of the product. Furthermore, the scale of the woodworking linear arc scriber tool is visible and will allow you to draw parallel lines and arcs. Also, the product is very small and lightweight. It can be easily carried in your pocket. The design of the product enables easy carrying and storage. Plus, it is multifunctional. You can use the product for 15 different jobs, such as tiling, paving, stud walls, gables, paneling, infill panels, shop fitting, and built-in furniture. The 34-piece woodworking chamfer drilling tools is what you need to get any kind of drilling done for your woodworking projects. The set comes with 5 pieces of step drill bit, 6 pieces of chamfer drill bit, 6 pieces of tap bit set, 7 pieces of countersink drill bit, 8 PCs wood plug cutter, and 8 PCs drill stop bit set. The product is easy to keep well organized, all thanks to the durable plastic case built with high-density foam to keep bits in place and prevent movement. Besides, the foam divider protects both sides when closed, making sure no clunking noise is made. Also, you can safeguard your bits and extend their lifespan. The product features high-speed steel, durability, strength, and sharp cutting edge. On top of that, they are wear-resistant and ideal for woodworking projects. Moreover, the automatic center punches a large chip flute of countersink drill bit. That has 5-edged chamfers to drain sawdust faster and easier, making the product worth trying. So, grab your 34-piece drill set and start working on wood, metal, and plastic boards, and craft different types of furniture or wooden toys. Make your woodworking journey easier with the SAER chamfer plane, save time by eliminating edges quickly, add other drill bits if needed, and finish your woodwork projects comfortably and more accurately. The product has adjustable depth, which means it is best for trimming and chamfering different types of wood. Adjust the cutting depth according to the working needs. The product also features horizontal and vertical bubbles for simple and accurate observation and leveling. Plus, it is easy to hold and operate. This innovative tool has multiple high-strength carbon steel blades that are sharp, ruthless, and more efficient. The black retaining edge ensures protection during use. Not to mention, the SAER chamfer plane is very easy to disassemble and assemble. Check out the extraordinary Bessie Variable Angle Strap Clamp, a product perfect for clamping irregularly shaped items, unusual objects, picture frames, or circular work, perfect for your woodworking projects. The tool is 23 feet long and only an inch wide, with high tensile strength polyester and straps that don't stretch, are safe and easy for you to use. Furthermore, the 4 unique vario angles are designed to put constant pressure on the joints, which makes this device more than just a strap clamp. The winding gears at the head of the threaded spindle draw the strap evenly from both sides, ensuring distortion-free clamping. Overall, this is a great tool for both beginners and professionals who are interested in woodworking. Are you looking for an easy-to-use retractable measuring tape? Introducing the Stanley FatMax Tape Measure, a tape designed to make taking measurements simpler when working alone. The product features a good quality, high-impact case along with a non-slip rubber. To make it more convenient for use, the measurements on the tape are clear and easy to read with large font numbers. This extraordinary product is capable of standing up to abrasion and can withstand repeated use. Plus, the full tape blade coating and additional blade armor coating elevate its sustainability and allow for long-term use. This means that by investing in the Stanley FatMax Tape Measure, you're not only getting a long-term performance out of the product, by also simplifying your woodworking experience. You need push blocks that don't slip and slide during a woodworking project. Introducing the Micro Jig Blocks Smart Push Block, its smart heel hooks will always have a secure grip on your precious workpiece. These hooks are designed to drop down when you require them to, also retract mid-board for the topmost convenience and allow locking in that position. But that's not the best part. The push block's non-slip green GRR Rippy can grip like magic, giving superior traction and sustainability compared to traditional push blocks in the market. Moreover, its modular design enables this kind of performance and easy cleanups, so resaw, veneer, or work with beaded face frames using these push blocks without worrying. The product comes with a 90-degree flip guide to make it easy for you to achieve accurate cuts on your bandsaw or router table. It's time to make woodworking safer and smarter with the Micro Jig Blocks Smart Push Block. The Jorgensen Chamfer plane is a great woodworking tool built for perfectionists. Its high-quality 9-car WMN steel blade allows precision sanding and minimal wear, and the multiple blade shapes give flexibility for different works, making this product good for versatile use. Furthermore, the plane's built-in storage compartment mains your blades and helps keep them organized and secure. On the other hand, its polished bottom allows for a smooth finish. The innovative design of the product makes it easy to fit comfortably in your hand, and the customizable cutting depth allows you to adjust the blade length for accurate edge trimming. Plus, the package comes with a wood edge planer, along with 4 different cutter heads, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide, making the product suitable for both experienced woodworkers and beginners. The Wen JN 8504 biscuit joiner is a great tool for crafting precise biscuit slots in any piece of wood during woodworking. The product has adjustable fences that create slots at any height or angle to join panels, align boards, or strengthen joints super easily. Also, the preset stops make it simple to make slots for standard 0, 10, and 20 biscuits, making sure of a perfect fit every single time. Moreover, the powerful 8.5 ampere motor drives the 4-inch carbide tipped blade at 10,000 revolutions per minute, allowing plenty of power for clean, smooth cuts through various wood types. Overall, a great product if you're looking for a professional touch in your woodworking projects. Want a router that can sustain anything from regular woodworking to heavy-duty projects? Look no further. The Tino wood rotor has variable speed settings from 15,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, perfect for tackling any job. Whether you're fine-tuning soft subjects or quickly changing shapes of hardwoods, this router has you covered. The product has a stepless speed adjustment that will allow you to dial in the perfect speed for your project, decreasing tool wear and increasing the life of your router bits. So, whether you're doing woodworking, crafting, or home improvement, this innovative router will be your go-to tool. Plus, it's ideal for chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, and much more. The product is designed with your comfort in mind. It features a sturdy base that provides stability and a rubber-covered handle that allows for a secured grip along with adjustment knobs. The product comes with a straight guide, trimming guide, wrenches, carbon brushes, a manual, and a portable toolbox for your convenience. Do you want to elevate your carpentry skills? Then check out the Craig R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig System. This product will be your secret weapon for producing strong and invisible joints. Plus, it's portable and will let you drill angled holes in wood, ideal for making different types of furniture, cabinets, and more. Also, it comes with an included clamp adapter that's compatible with most clamps for extra stability. The 9-depth setting will allow you to join materials of different thickness levels, making your projects truly one of a kind. This device is built to help you bridge the gap between your woodworking ideas and the final creation with ease and precision. Days of struggling with drilling precise angled holes on stairs are over, and presenting the MaxGeek drill guide will take the hassle out of this kind of task. The drill guide is durable and built with lightweight metal. Also, it has a smooth and rust-resistant anodized surface. Plus, it is equipped with 4 pairs of wear-resistant drill bushings to make sure you can use it for a long time. But the real magic lies in the product's diversity. It features 4 drilling angles at 30 degrees, 38 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, each offering 4 different sizes for pilot holes. This will allow you to tackle different screw diameters and work on a variety of projects, such as angled deck railings, horizontal cable posts, and countless other woodworking projects. Finally, the upgraded dual groove structure of the product is best for clear and precise drilling, which will save you precious time and frustration. Are you ready to simplify your next woodworking project? Introducing the Moto Vera Laser Level, your new best friend for easy alignment tasks done with precision. This portable and lightweight gadget has bright green horizontal and vertical lines, which are best used for hanging pictures, installing shelves, and tackling a wide range of home improvement tasks. Also, the green laser beams are 4 times brighter than red beams, which offers excellent visibility, even when you're using it indoors at a distance of 100 feet. The product is IP54 dust and water resistant, which means it is durable and can withstand different types of working environments. Furthermore, the laser has 4 brightness levels that can be adjusted according to different lighting conditions, and the magnetic bracket will allow easy attachment to metal surfaces. Lastly, the self-leveling function can automatically level the laser, making the job easier for you. Stop wrestling with heavy machinery around your woodworking workshop. The BorPort Mobile Base Kit PM1100 can be your solution. This kit will allow you to easily mount and move big machines, such as table saws, bandsaws, workbenches, and more, since it has a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. The best feature of this product is its customizability. Efficiently measure your machine's footprint, cut a piece of plywood according to your requirements, and attach the hardware provided with the product. The kit comes with easy glide casters that can lock safely with foot-operated levers, which will allow you to have control and maneuverability in your workspace. This tool is a game changer for garage tasks, workshops, and spaces where you need to make your equipment mobile. The PREXISO multi-surface laser level can be your one-stop shop for getting the perfect alignment during different woodworking projects. It is a user-friendly tool with a simple one-switch use that can project 3 laser lines onto any surface. Get more control since the angle dial will allow you to adjust the laser beams within a range of 15 degrees to 75 degrees, best for angled applications. Also, the built-in bubble vials and LED lights make sure of accurate leveling, even in low-lit areas. The included wall mount base allows you to free your hands for marking and provides 3 mounting options for added versatility. Moreover, this portable laser level can project horizontal and vertical lines at precise 90-degree angles, which makes it perfect for woodworking, installing wooden shelves, laying tiles, and any task that needs precise alignment done. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to comment on which of the 20 coolest woodworking tools under $50 caught your attention the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.